Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. We are making Grecia her breakfast. She's gonna eat some beans and egg, and then I'm making her two blueberry waffles, and she's also gonna have some banana slices. And I'm making her like a variety because for the past couple days she hasn't been wanting to eat like the way she regularly does. And I don't know if it's because she's teething really bad or her molars are coming in and they haven't been wanting to like crack or like cut through her gum. Not crack, I'm sorry. Say crack again, crack. So I'm gonna peel up some banana. Before I go back into talking about kitchen stuff, this is what Grecia is gonna eat. You want some, Papa? Go. Come on. You have to blow on it because it's hot, okay? It's hot. Blow. Oh, yeah. Is that good? You want a fork? It's hot, baby. Blow on it. Good job. Say milk, milk. Good job. Here. We still have a couple projects that we're gonna do whenever Bert's off again. Like, we're going to completely take off this white stuff that's up here, like all of that. We're going to take it off and replace it with sheetrock. So today I have to go buy more white paint at Ace, so I'm going to do that. And then I have to go to the dollar store. So if you guys want to see what we're going to do throughout the day, then just go ahead and keep on watching this video. This is the kitchen after everything I did. So if you guys remember, in the last video, like, I still needed to paint all of this right here. And then like this part here and the tops of the drawers and the sides and the bottoms and stuff. So I did all of that yesterday. I was able to finish. I did all of them, but this is what I'm talking about. Like this side right here, I need the panel, that's what it's called. So once we buy the panel, then that's gonna go painted gray, as well as that side and this side here, and like all of this is gonna go covered. So over here I just have like a bunch of junk. I have my little Scentsy warmer there, and I'm gonna wash dishes real quick, but I'm still thinking of what to do with this window. Now that I've done all this to the kitchen, I really want something that's going to look pretty. I don't want anything to where I can have the windows open all the time. I don't know. I've had this discussion with you guys so many times, but I don't know what to do with this window because it's just so big and I don't know what to put. And then, oh, I already told you guys that we're gonna put sheetrock up there, but that's about it. Like, we still have a couple little things to do, and then my kitchen will be completely finished. So all I need is my little countertops, and then everything is gonna look awesome. I literally cannot wait. I've been cooking a lot more than I usually do. So I love it. I love my kitchen now. Even if it's not done, like, I love it so much already. So I'm gonna wash dishes. I'm gonna do some other things. I'm drinking my cup of OJ. So we'll see you guys later. baby hairs. I hate them so much. But we just got home from the store. I literally went to Family Dollar for one thing and I walk out with a bunch of junk. But I bought this. I know it's for like plates and stuff, but I'm hoping that I can use it for my lids for my pots. I don't know if it'll work or not, but I just bought one to see if it'll work. I guess I'll show you guys if it works or not. I got Grecia some Cheeto Puffs just to put in her Easter basket. M&M's for me. Guilty pleasure. And then I got Grecia some Honey Nut Cheerios just so she can snack on. That's it. Perfect haul, huh? Guys, I gave Grecia a little bowl of Cheerios so she could snack on. And look at where she came to put them. I'm gonna put your water right there too, okay? Or you want to sit down?
Well, in that case...
So I was able to put that dish holder thing in my cabinets for my pots and pans lid. I'm gonna show you guys how it turned out. So it's back there and I kind of like it. So that's that. You just spilling Cheerios everywhere. Yeah. Silly goose. I also want to vacuum and clean my floors. I'm also thinking of taking Grecia's toy box back to the, or like put it in her room, because she literally never plays with the toys in there. And her pony, I think I'm only gonna keep the the chair Wendy gave her and her activity block here, because that's all she plays with. So I'm gonna do that now. Gosh, you guys, so after I finished vacuuming, I got my iPad, but while I was doing that, I'm gonna get started on dinner. It's already 6 o'clock. I'm gonna put some rice in the pan and I'm just gonna brown that. I tried logging into my iCloud and it told me that I had to update my password. So I did that, and then it was saying, and then all of a sudden it wouldn't let me like log in anymore. So I had to call Apple support, and I was on the phone for an hour and a half trying to freaking log back in. And it ended up being my fault because I was using my computer, but I was pressing shift for the numbers, and you're not supposed to do that on the computer. So I was literally on the phone for over an hour because it was my fault, because I don't know how to use a computer. So I'm going to use, this is my especias jar. And then I'm going to use a cebolla cube, ajo, and cilantro, which is what she's got. Tomate, tomato bouillon, chicken bouillon, like half of this tomato sauce, some salt, and my meat. And I'm browning the rice right now. And I'm just gonna like show you guys how I do it. And then this is what your food should look like when it's done. Time to dig in. So good. It smells so good. So I really have to get ourselves some table mats, but we're just gonna have dinner here. I served myself. All we really need is the tortillas and the frijoles, but she already dug into hers while we watch Coco. You like it? Is it good? Yeah. Yeah? So I'm in the middle of folding clothes, but I don't know if you guys can see Grecia there. We just finished eating dinner, but she's sitting on her dad's beanbag playing with his undies. There she is. You're gonna fall. Hey, sit down. Mommy, sit down. Careful. You're gonna bust your butt. Careful. Come here. Come here. You're gonna fall. Oh. I wonder if she'll get what she's playing with. Who is that? Who is that?
Dad.
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 Dad and who? Is that mommy and daddy? Dad. I think I'm going to end the vlog here just because I'm just going to fold some clothes today. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I'm going to fold some clothes right now. And I don't think that you guys will be seeing another video until Friday. You may or may not see a makeup video. I'm going to try my best. But you might not see a vlog until Friday. But thank you guys so much for watching my videos, for subscribing and liking and leaving awesome comments all the time. We will see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye.